Okay, I think we should, yeah, we're recording. So, welcome everyone to the Ignite developer call for whatever today is, December 9. Thanks for updating that, Chenwit. Yeah, it is December 9th, and today we have one major agenda item. Joining us is Roberto from Aqua Security, and then me and Chanwit from the Weaveworks Ignite maintenance team. And we have CVE 2019 18960, which was a vulnerability in the VSOC implementation that was introduced in Firecracker, which is the underlying virtual machine monitor that we use in Ignite. The VSOC interface had an out of bounds check that was not being performed that could potentially allow a guest that had a VSOC to write memory inside of the parent Firecracker process that basically orchestrates KVM. And the Firecracker team basically identified this and notified everybody of a 2-week security embargo. They took it seriously. Ignite was not affected because we do not use the VSOC implementation, but we did decide to respond to the incident in a maybe overzealous and diligent manner. But yeah, they said there's no proof of concept that's actually exploiting this thing, but they wanted to be safe since it was a memory issue. So 5X we considered completely unaffected in Ignite because it's using Firecracker 017. But then we decided to pull 061 and 062 during the embargo. So the release binaries were delisted on GitHub, and then the Docker image tags were pulled. I imagine that likely broke existing installations of Ignite. We didn't maybe think all the way through, but it is what we did to respond to the issue. So that's where that is currently. To fix the 06 release branch today, we will be bumping the dependency to the 018.1, which is just the patch release for that specific version of Firecracker that's used in 06. And we'll be releasing a new version. And then we'll be bumping master so that builds with a non-vulnerable version. Again, we do not use the VSOC feature, so technically Ignite is not vulnerable, but we are just being diligent in the dependencies we used, making sure they don't carry any underlying CVEs. Yeah. So that's, did I cover everything, Chanwit? Do you have anything to add?
Yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. Yeah, we're not affecting directly, but yeah, we did chip the binary contain that security bug.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. That is our primary update for today. So I will be working on that release, getting everything tidied up. And thanks to the Firecracker team for disclosing in such a professional manner. So,
yep.
Roberto, were you just joining to stay updated with the project, or did you have anything that you wanted to add to the agenda?
I was just trying to get updates, see
Cool.
what new things are added, and it's definitely a good idea to keep track of the security issues. So that's a good response. Even though we're not the project's not directly affected, to to get the latest updates and things like that. That's a good idea.
Yeah, I mean, it's you work for a security company, right? So, and I always enjoy your backgrounds. You're like on the you
It's
can see the crest.
the only, it's the only one I have. It's not, for some reason, the version I have installed came with it, and I was looking for a background. So actually, that was the day that I was looking for it, and I was like, oh, space. Oh, that sounds good.
I want to see, how do I set a background? In my video settings,
If you go to the virtual background,
virtual background. You see, I'm not seeing it. I'm in video settings, but I don't see the virtual background thing. I think I've played with this before, but yeah.
I wonder if it has anything to do with the what version of Zoom I have installed. That's a good question.
Yeah, it might not be in in video settings. It might be somewhere else.
It's in preferences. Like if you go to preferences,
I don't know if I can get to that from the recording screen. You know how I'm sharing my screen, so yeah, that might not be an option. Anyway, cool. Well, we can probably cut the call here. I would imagine can stop recording since that's the rest of the agenda. So for the sake of the YouTube recording, I guess we'll stop here.